our picture. Boom, that is us. So that is us right there. So me, myself, and I. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys on how to clone yourself, or rather how to duplicate yourself in one photo, in one picture. You don't need Photoshop, you just need just one or two apps, and I'm going to put the apps down below on the description box. The apps that you need are Snapseed and Lightroom. If you do not have Lightroom, you can use Snapseed and edit all your videos on it. And basically that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to like switching up my top, but I'm going to leave my jeans on. So it's just going to be a very random picture of me taking myself a picture, yeah, if that makes sense. And yeah, so that is what I'm going to be doing on this video. So you guys should just watch on how I'm going to, because I've gotten so many comments on my Instagram on how I took that picture. I'm going to place the picture right here. I'm going to place it right here. So I'm going to do a video of how I took the picture, and you guys should just see how I did it. It's just so fun. I really enjoy doing it, and I'm just going to like show you guys on how I did it. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. So yeah, it's my the remote I also use for my phone to take picture and to make video. So I use this remote for it, and this is how my camera is placed. Just this, I place my camera here, and here is my phone camera. So this is where I'm going to be shooting the video, and I'm going to show you guys how the result is. I'm going to find where Snapseed is located at, right here on my phone. So I already have my Snapseed. This is what we have at the moment. It's still going to be on my screen. The open or this plus sign, just click on it. So when you click on it, you can go to recent, or you can, so I'm going to click on gallery and then find where I have my favorite pictures right here. So it's easy for me to work with. So the first picture I'm going to take is this one right here. So I'm going to get this picture. Oh my god, this this picture is just full of drama. Jesus Christ, this picture says drama. So my facial expression alone is just wow. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to click on tools. So when I click on tools, you see different features that you can use. Double exposure. When you click on double exposure, it will show you where you can add more pictures. So I'm going to click on this plus sign right down here that says add picture. So when you click on that, you go back to your gallery, or you go back to your favorite, where you have your favorite pictures. So I'm going to click on the next picture. So the next picture should be this one right here. So I'm just going to turn the picture and just make sure that I outline the picture with what I already have on my photos. Don't worry the way it's blurry, we are going to work on that later, but make sure that this is more outlined, everything is placed properly. We are just going to do that quickly. So we have that, which is okay for me. I'm happy with it. Then I'm going to increase the opacity to 100 right here, so you can see how clear your picture is. So the next thing that you have to do is you have to click on this gold sign right here. So when you click on this gold sign, you click on this button right here, up your button, then you click on view edit. When you click on view edit, it shows you double exposure, then it shows you delete, and it shows you a sign that you can work with your picture. So I'm going to click on that sign right there. and then I'm just going to erase, just not like erase, but just brush off my picture, just brush off whatever I already have underneath here. So just to make sure that the picture is perfect. You can always go back to your picture to work with it, because that is the whole idea. And yeah, just gonna do that quickly. Just work on this picture where my hand is placed. I'm just gonna do that. Make sure that the picture is properly done. We are going to go back to the back picture to work on that also. So my double exposure is plus 100. So if you have to work with your back picture, you have to go to -0. So you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So then I'm gonna do the third picture. So you go back there and go back to your photo gallery, click on your favorite. Then I'm gonna click on this picture right here, because it's more like drama. It's like calling me drama, you know. Then I'm gonna click on that, and then I'm gonna click on view edits. Just increase the yes, oh yes. So the picture is coming together. So I'm just gonna brush that just to blend it in. Okay, just to blend it in. So we have that already. And the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on, do I like the picture? I think I do. Okay, so we already have that. So the next picture that I want to do, so just do the same thing pretty much. Go back here, choose double exposure, click on the next picture. The next picture should be this one right here that I'm sitting on the floor. So I'm just going to do the same thing, align the picture the same way. Okay, we already have that. And then I'm going to click on the opacity, and then I'm going to click on that, and then go to view edits, and then I'm just going to click on this button right here, and then we are going to work on this picture, because this picture is very delicate. So we are going to work on it perfectly well, because I'm under the chair and my other pictures are behind me. So I'm just going to make sure that I get the right position of this picture. So we have that. Yes, we have that. Okay, so I'm going to go back to work on the picture at the back of where I'm sitting. So you have to go back and reduce the double exposure to -0. Then just click on that like that, and the chair. Okay, so we have that. Then go back again. If you say you do not like that, what you're saying, just click on that. So my hand is showing, so I'm to go back and click on that like so. Okay, the table. Okay, so let's say I like this picture like this, and then click on your last picture. So my last picture should be this one right here. So this is my last picture. I'm gonna do the same thing, make sure that the picture is well aligned together. I don't know if this picture is actually telling a story, but yeah. Okay, that is how my picture is actually looking. I like it. Yes, I like it. So I'm gonna increase the opacity to the same way, and then click on view edits. I'm gonna click on this right here and just make sure I get the right position for this picture. And then, so if we have that, we have that. Okay, then I'm going to go back to -0 to this one right here, because this picture needs to be more you know, sophisticated, chic, you know what I mean. So we are done actually. Okay, so basically we are done. You can do whatever you want to do if you want your picture to be more perfect, but this is how you do the picture. This is how you get your picture to be double, clone, duplicated, however you want to call it. This is how I work with my picture. You can go as far as make sure that every detail is well placed, if I must say. So this is what we have, and I like it. If I say I do not like it, yeah, I actually like this. I like this. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here and then go here, and then there we already have our picture. Boom, that is us, right? So that is us right there. So that is me, myself, and I. So when the picture is saved, I'm gonna go back to Lightroom just to give my phone a little bit of vibe, you know. So I'm gonna go back to Lightroom. If you do not have, you can export your picture like that, but if you want your picture to have a little bit of vibe, you can go on Lightroom just to give it a very nice color grade and stuff like that. Easy for me to work with, pretty much. Oh, okay, that's great. Great news. So I'm trying to find this picture. So that is how I duplicate myself. That is how I work on my face. That is how I work on my pictures. I don't do much, but yeah, let me know what you think about this video. If you want to create yourself, let me know in the comment section. If you need more help, I will gladly help you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell button down below so you can watch any of my videos whenever I post something new. So I'll be catching you guys on my next YouTube video. I love you guys. Bye.